The All India Trinamool Congress MLA from Salmanpara, Winnerson D Sangma, made a notable move on the 8th of March 2024 by officially joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. His entrance into the party was marked by a warm welcome from the state president, Rikman G Momin, alongside other prominent figures including BJP MLAs AL Hek and Sanbor Shullai. Speculation is rife that TMC Chief Mukul Sangma, along with 10 other TMC members, might follow suit and join the BJP post the Lok Sabha MP elections of 2024.
How Pulatars! How Pulatars! How Pulatars! Welcome to Modi Parivar. Take this your registration and membership form.
My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a with our platform. I have been in politics since 2013. In the active politics, I represented 55 Salmanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23. But I couldn't make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I am very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this short function. I am very grateful to the leaders who are in the TMC, especially to the National President Bharatiya Ji and Abhishek Ji, and in the state who have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Mukul Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days.
Anything that has not yet happened. Okay, so we are just telling you that they are moved to join, but we cannot mention the names now because we don't want to say things which have not happened. Let it happen, and at that point of time we'll let you know. In fact, earlier when it came out in the papers also, none of us spoke about who's going to join. So let them join first, then we'll let you know.
The joining of the Winnerson Sangma from the TMC to the BJP. So it is a very clear indications. Winnerson has joined, there is very clear indication that the BJP is winning in the Lok Sabha seat to 2024. So as I had said, that only not he himself, the other former MLA or the sitting MLA also, very soon they are joining to the BJP. So we are waiting for the time, and as I said by Winnerson, in a few days they are also joining.